It's a great day here at Morehead State University. We have our career and internship fair going on. We are connecting over 100 employers and graduate programs from all over the state with our students and alumni. It's an amazing showcase of the talents of our students.
And this is a great opportunity for anybody. I mean, freshman, sophomore, junior, I made so many connections, started out good networking, and hopefully made some lasting impacts on some employers.
I think it's really nice to see everybody's out here today, that you can have multiple career options, not even just in your major branch. There's many of options here that you can take.
You know, I really wanted to get a headshot, get my LinkedIn right, and you know, I'm not going to look at the map. I'm just going to walk around and see what really attracts me. So.
Well, I came because I'm trying to keep my options open. I heard there's going to be a lot of people here today, and I'm just trying to see what all's available. So
the quality of the students are amazing here. I mean, you got a lot of great diversity here within the skill set, just the students themselves, and so I think we can pull a lot of great talent from this college and really help them excel in their career.
I just wanted to be able to get some exposure with some different companies, as well as get my name out. I'm trying to apply for internships, get ahead in my field. I'm planning to graduate in this upcoming fall, come back and complete my master's degree, and then with that I want to be able to have some experience before I get out into the workforce. So I just thought it'd be a great opportunity to come out and see what everything has to offer.
So as an art major, I really like meeting with other employers, just because you don't realize how many opportunities you have in different companies to having an internship. Even all companies need someone with a creative background for marketing and design and advertisement. So it's just been a really good opportunity.
We have over 100 organizations here and more than 500 students and alumni that are connecting with employers and graduate programs. It's really a great day to set our students up for career success.